The topic for today is AutoCAD performance in the Quadro RTX A4000 GPU. Let's start with 2D drafting and draw some lines. Let's open Graphics Performance. Here you can see hardware acceleration is on using NVIDIA RTX A4000. So you can see here is the bare minimum use of a graphics card in drafting mode. Next, do some pan and zoom in drawing. Here also you can see in pan and zoom that the graphics card is not fully utilized. Let's test the graphics performance with 3D drawings. Now let's do some rotation in the 3D model. Here you can see some fluctuation in the GPU graph but still not utilized more than 20%. Finally, let's do some 3D rendering. Click on the rendering tool. Click on render. So here you can see CPU utilization is at a maximum, but the GPU utilization is at a minimum. So in this test it concluded that if you are using AutoCAD for drafting purposes, then investing in a CPU is more important than investing in a costly GPU. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.